Bakit ba hindi nag-celebrate ng bonggang birthday si Pugong Biyahe? Sa mga bagay na meron ka na ngayon, ano pa yung wish mo?
Ayan guys, so nandito na kami sa hotel.
And can you check whether our room comes with free breakfast? Sure. The room is included breakfast. All of you will providing breakfast. Let me process now. Oh, you need a top.
Grabe na yung antok. 53 AM na.
Can we? I think we get 4 drink. Welcome drinks.
Welcome to yes, sir.
Yes.
We can do this one.
You have like juice?
Yeah, we have mixed juice like orange, mixed lemon, and strawberry.
Strawberry syrup. Coffee. Orange.
It's already mixed. Strawberry. Yeah, that's. It's already mixed. So
It's already mixed. Mix of orange, lemon, and strawberry.
Galing.
Welcome drinks. Mix from this.
Sparkling kaya.
Thank you. And guys, so this is the welcome drink. Mixed fruit, mix of orange, lemon, and strawberry. Cheers guys.
Cheers tayo guys, may energy pa tayo. Kahit lagi natin na kami.
Cheers.
tayo. Hi guys. Ganda na ako man. Next, come on, let's go. Okay.
Come on. Go, go, go. So, ayan, nandito na kami sa room. Good night, guys. Good night. So, guys, it's morning na. So, it's morning. Nandito na kami sa baba ulit ng breakfast. Meron kasamang breakfast yung hotel for the Ayun guys, so nasa tour na kami and then kasama namin si Komang is our tour guide. Hi!
Good morning.
Okay. So yun, tapos guys, one thing na na-amaze ako is dito pala sa Indonesia, sa ano sila, dito sa left side ng kalye sila dumadaan. Di ba dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas sa right side. Tapos, ganun din yung sasakyan, yung steering wheel nila nasa right naman. Unlike din sa Pilipinas, di ba sa atin nasa sa left. Kaya medyo nako-confuse ako.
Starting the activity we have to step by step. There's a long time later.
Like every morning you have to do that?
Yes, every morning.
How long are you? How long
We
do you do
start
that?
before the sunrise. I mean like 6 a.m. Starting. Yeah.
And it will last like for an hour or 30 minutes every day?
Just 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah. But there's even up someone maybe sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes.
It depends on the family.
Yes.
How they do it.
Yes.
Grabe, ganun pala dito guys. So every day, meron silang ganun tradition. This is just a small temple.
small building.
Yeah. And then that one, it's a very big temple. So it depends on the family's ano pala, kakayahan. It depends on if the family can afford a big temple or just a simple temple.
Parchment paper.
So ganun pala yun guys. Depende sa kakayahan or depende sa kung mayaman ba yung family. They can have a big temple. What's the biggest religion here in Japan?
Hindu.
Hindu.
Most mostly of people here is Hindu.
But in other parts of Indonesia, like Jakarta, are they
Biggest one Muslims.
Muslim?
Yes. Only in Bali we have big Hindus. Yes.
That's why most of the tourists are actually coming to Bali
Yeah.
instead of
I
the
think so,
other
yeah.
part of Indonesia.
Yes. So that's why we have 1,000 temple in Bali.
Hmm.
Yes.
Wow.
It's like family temple, public temple, and then community temples. So every hometown they have one big temple. It's called community temple.
Hmm.
It's like group, big group. Yes.
So it's like a church for us Catholic. We do have like church in
Yes.
every community.
Yes.
So it's like a community temple.
Yes.
in Bali.
Sa mukha niya.
So punta kami dito guys sa Holy Spring at Tirtha Temple Tampakis Resort. Ano daw? Ano daw? Ito pala, Tirtha Temple. So it's a temple na pupuntahan namin today. Ayan. So we're paying the entrance fee. JR, magkano ang entrance fee? 300.
For 4.
Sorry, ano mo na lang.
Can you take this is for 4? Good.
Ayan.
So,
Hello. Hindi kami sa Alvin. Si Ate, nagbibenta ng saging. Saging na.
Hiking?
So ito guys, ito yung papasok dun sa temple. Pero kailangan mo mag-wear ng decent dress. Kailangan mo ng sarong. Kailangan mo mag-wear ng sarong. Ayan. Ayan. Para makapasok ka dun sa loob, dapat nakasarong ka. Oo, magsusuot tayo.
sige, kami naman. Hindi nyo kita kagawin sa solo. Then, Bali this close.
May ritual daw, how many will do the ritual?
Kasi ano yun, parang tutuan kayo magdasal mo parang
Kaso, we have limited
But the ritual ceremony have a process.
yeah.
You picture with your phone or your
Oh.
not bring the phone. You do the ritual on one inside.
So that includes the
Include with the clothes, include with the safety box, offering, explain, and
how long does it take?
maybe now it's from here and your end maybe around 30
30 to 35
from here. It's from
And then-
here, and then inside you must be changing your clothes.
Yes. Is there a guide?
Yeah, I must
You-
be here.
you-
Yeah,
And how much does that?
it's 150,000.
For all?
No, for person is for everything.
First.
Yeah. For everything, but I rent the clothes, I rent something for offering, rent, take a picture.
Gusto niyo ba yun?
Yeah.
Kasi ano yun eh, parang preparation na yun nung
By money, yeah.
Yan ba yung parang maliligo tayo? Pero pag hindi tayo maliligo pag walang lahat.
Parang kasama yun dito sa akin.
For everything, there are process ceremony.
Pero okay din yung may guide kasi may nag-explain.
Sa akin, experience.
Offering the flower.
Yes.
Gusto nyo try?
Let's try.
Kaya try?
Yung 150 lang naman. Pwede.
Huh?
30 minutes lang.
$10. And yeah.
Yeah. Sure. Sit down. Go.
Yeah. You want to do it? Sorry.
Yeah.
So what again? What are we going to do? We're going to try.
Yeah. From here until explain water. I explain the meaning. Set inside but three holy bath. Three holy bath. Every bath have one thing like sour. Single sour have a meaning. Chill yourself.
Ayan guys, mag-release na daw kapatid leg. Kulay green, isa na refugee kulay green. Okay na? Okay.
Explain after you start from the second pantai. The first pantai you skip, you start from the second. Any pantai you take, and then stop here. You take here, and then two pantai you skip, 1, 2,
Okay,
and then the last one you take.
Okay.
Okay.
Skip.
Alright, and of course, isa din sa mga katanungan na nabasa natin sa comment. Actually, marami ring nagtatanong dahil alam naman natin na Pugong Biyahero celebrated his birthday, his 40th birthday. Kamakailan lamang, that was June 18. Pero yun nga, parang bakit ba hindi nag-celebrate ng bonggang birthday si Pugong Biyahero?
So actually, hindi naman talaga ako nagsa-celebrate ng bonggang birthday.
Mm.
Kahit nagbe-birthday ako, yung family lang. So, palagi nila akong tinatanong, pero hindi okay na ako. Kasi, yung araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos para sa ating blessing na yun, bakit pa tayo magsa-celebrate na? Diba? So, yung magagastos natin dyan magagamit pa natin sa ibang bagay na makatulog ko. So, kaya, yun yung sinasabi ko lagi na hindi ko kailangan mag-celebrate. Diba, sinasabi ko naman sa inyo, hindi ko kailangan mag-celebrate yan sa sana. Lagi akong ganun. Basta, importante, buhay ako, nandito pa, nakapag-mission pa, magandang aking kalusugan, walang problema.
Yes. I-share ko lang din po sa inyo. Pag tinatanong po namin siya, PJ, saan ka magse-celebrate ng birthday mo? Ang lagi niya po sinasagot sa amin, hindi ko yan iniisip. Iniisip ko yung debo ni Miley. So, ganun po siya selfless na even the celebration, hindi niya iniisip yung sa kanya. Mas nagpo-focus siya dun sa debo ni Miley talaga.
O, kasi nga, nasa akin na kumbaga, okay na ako. So, na-experience ko naman lagi, araw-araw yung blessing ka. So, sa kanila na.
Okay. So, pero hindi ka nag-celebrate ng bonggang birthday kasi we did celebrate din naman on our little celebration, tapos sila Ate Nida, they
Yes,
surprised you.
mayroon naman kami maliit na
Mga celebrations. Kumbaga mga mini celebrations. Hindi nga lang yung bongga, pero still we celebrated it. Pero yun, question is, sa mga bagay na meron ka na ngayon, ano pa yung wish mo?
Siguro wala na. Sa sarili ko, wala na akong hinigit. Kundi yung health na.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi, ano mangyayari sa akin kung pangit ng kalusugan naman, hindi ko rin magagawa yung gusto kong gawin. Like yung pagpa-vlog, yung kung may pagpapatuloy yung mission natin, kung paano yung health ko kung suffer na, may sakit dito. So, yung wish ko lang talaga kay God, yung lang, yun lang. Sabi ko, wala na may hingin na ma-achieve ko ba? Kasi na-achieve ko na siya. Kumbaga yung life ko before, sa life namin ngayon, sama ang pamilya. So sabi ko na, okay na kami. So may mga konting problem, hindi naman nawawala. So normal lang yun. So wala naman kasi good health.
Yes. And actually, yun din po yung lagi namin pinapaalala sa kanila. Kasi nga, ito kasi, pag may mission na, pag nagtatrabaho, grabe, na to the point pa minsan very limited na yung tulog niya. Pero may group chat po kasi kami, so pinapaalala din namin sa kanya na you should take a rest, take your meds, huwag magpahinga ka kasi mahirap naman na abusuhin mo yung sarili mo. So yun din po yung paalala namin palagi sa kanya, which is nakikita ko na yun din palagi yung mga sinasabi ng mga viewers and subscribers na sabi nga nila, Sir Paul, you deserve to rest. Yung pagpunta natin dito sa Bali, which is we planned this as well dahil nga alam namin na hindi na siya magse-celebrate ng birthday, so kumbaga magkaroon na naman siya ng pahinga after ng event ni Mylene. Kaya pinlan namin to ahead, medyo matagal ng plano ko na pumunta dito sa Bali. So yun, pero yun nga, we appreciate everyone's concern. Grabe, nakaka-overwhelm yung concern ng ating mga subscribers and viewers dun sa comment section, how they always say na ingat ka Sir Paul. Amping Sir Paul is like ingat Sir
Yeah,
Paul,
ingat.
right? Ingat. Amping.
It's Bisaya.
Yes. Bisaya.
Yeah, Bisaya.
Ayun guys, so thank you. Yun po ang wish ni Pugong Biyahero.
Oh, yan. At saka isingit ko lang din, baka magtanong yung mga viewers, sino ba yan? Bakit bigla na sumingit sa PBB?
Oo
Bakit
nga.
nandiyan yan sila?
Yes.
So gusto ko lang yun namin sa inyo, again, we're friends. Pang-classmate ko sila nung high school and nung nalaman nila na vlogger ako, naging vlogger ako, sobrang supportive sila sa akin. So sa mga classmate kasi namin, so ako lang talaga yung naging vlogger. At ayan, vlogger na rin sila.
Thank you so much for the support.
So, pero yan po may mga professional po yan. So, may kanya-kanya lang kaming karera na tinahak.